Have you ever sat in math class and thought, there is no way I'll ever use this after I'm done with school? Now, it's possible that you're someone who loves math. Maybe you enjoy the challenge of figuring out complex word problems and calculating the radius of a circle. Or maybe you struggle to understand how solving for X will ever be an important part of your day-to-day life. However you feel about it though, there are so many ways that math can relate to your future. Maybe you're like Jorge, who loves keeping track of his favorite basketball player's stats and wants to use his math skills in his future career. He's still trying to figure out which career that might be though. Or maybe you're more like Brittany. She doesn't hate math, but she doesn't love it either. She knows that it's important to do well in class because she wants good grades, but she doesn't think she'll end up becoming a mathematician or accountant. Or are you actually like Jesse, who'd rather be anywhere other than math class? He struggles to keep his focus when he's looking at a page of numbers, and he doesn't see how he'll ever use equations in the future. Jesse wants to make movies someday, and would rather spend time creating short films with his friends. But no matter who you're most like, thinking ahead to your future and the things that interest you might help you realize how important math is, wherever life takes you. Do you ever wonder how roller coasters can safely send people twisting through the air, or how your favorite video game comes to life on your screen? Learning more about physics or computer science may mean that you use math in the future at a job you love. But what you may not know is that there are all kinds of jobs that will need some math ability, even if they don't sound like it. Whether it's calculating light exposure as a director of photography, or creating formulas to keep websites secure from hackers, the skills you're learning right now in math class could come in handy choosing the program that gets you to your dream job. But even if that's not what you're looking for, believe it or not, we use math all the time. There are everyday things like budgeting and shopping, but sometimes math sneaks up on you. Have you ever tried baking a double recipe or wanted to rearrange your furniture using a floor plan? Whether it helps you budget your money, introduces a college major you hadn't considered, or puts you on the path to becoming a robotics engineer, you never know where math will take you.